This 24-inch built-in gas cooktop by Iseasy is a versatile and efficient addition to any modern kitchen, offering a combination of functionality, safety, and stylish design. This review provides an in-depth look at its features, performance, and overall value, demonstrating why this 3-burner gas stovetop stands out in the market. The first thing that strikes you about the Iseasy 24-inch built-in gas cooktop is its sleek and contemporary appearance. The cooktop is made of highly polished black tempered glass, which not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, but also ensures durability. The glass surface is 8 mm thick, providing high hardness and resistance to rust and high temperatures. This makes it not only visually appealing, but also practical for everyday use. The product dimensions are 23.62 inches in width, 21.26 inches in length, and 4.33 inches in height, making it compact yet spacious enough to accommodate 3 burners. The cutout size is 22.05 inches by 18.90 inches, so it's important to ensure these dimensions fit your kitchen's specifications before purchasing. This gas cooktop features 3 high-efficiency sealed burners, each designed to meet different cooking needs. The burners are strategically positioned to allow for maximum cooking flexibility. Top left burner, 5E976 B2s, suitable for simmering and stewing. Bottom left burner, 9E216 B2s, ideal for frying and boiling. Right burner, 11E268 B2s, perfect for high heat cooking like quick frying and steaming. Each burner distributes heat evenly, ensuring that your food cooks perfectly every time. The maximum power output of 7.35 B2s per second ensures that even the most demanding cooking tasks are handled efficiently. The electronic ignition system, powered by a 120V pulse, ensures quick and easy startup. Safety is a paramount concern in any kitchen, and the Iseasy gas cooktop excels in this area. It is equipped with a thermocouple flame-out failure system FFD, which automatically shuts off the gas supply if no flame is detected. This feature significantly reduces the risk of gas leaks and ensures a safe cooking environment for you and your family. The gas stove also includes melt-proof and anti-scalding Bakelite knobs, which are not only durable but also designed to prevent accidents. The knobs require a press and rotate action to ignite, adding an extra layer of safety to prevent accidental activation by children. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its versatility. It is an NG-LPG convertible, meaning it can be used with either natural gas or liquid propane. The conversion kit is included, allowing you to easily switch between fuel types based on your household needs. This flexibility makes it suitable for a variety of kitchen setups. Operating the cooktop is simple and intuitive. The automatic ignition system is activated by rotating the control knobs, allowing for flexible and accurate gas adjustment. Whether you need a low simmer or a high flame, the cooktop provides precise control over the heat output. Maintaining and cleaning the Iseasy gas cooktop is straightforward thanks to its tempered glass surface. The smooth, polished glass is resistant to stains and can be easily wiped clean with a damp cloth. Unlike stainless steel, which can show smudges and fingerprints, the tempered glass remains looking clean and new with minimal effort. The heavy-duty cast iron grates are also easy to remove and clean. They provide a stable cooking surface, ensuring that pots and pans remain steady during cooking. These grates are robust and designed to withstand the rigors of daily use without deforming or slipping. Durability is another strong point of the Iseasy gas cooktop. The tempered glass surface and heavy-duty cast iron grates are built to last, providing long-term reliability. The Bakelite knobs are resistant to high temperatures, enhancing the overall durability of the appliance. Iseasy also offers a 2-year warranty on this cooktop, providing peace of mind and assurance of quality. In the event of any issues or missing accessories, Iseasy's customer support is responsive and committed to resolving problems promptly. In conclusion, the 24-inch built-in gas cooktop by Iseasy is a top-notch kitchen appliance that combines style, efficiency, and safety. Its sleek black-tempered glass surface adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the 3 high-efficiency burners provide versatile cooking options for all your culinary needs. The cooktop's safety features, including the thermocouple flame-out failure system and melt-proof knobs, ensure a safe cooking environment. The NG-LPG convertible capability adds flexibility, allowing you to choose the fuel type that best suits your household. The cooktop's compact size and built-in design make it an excellent choice for kitchens of all sizes, providing a seamless integration that enhances both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your cooking space. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the Iseasy 24-inch built-in gas cooktop will meet your culinary needs with ease and efficiency. Its combination of advanced features, thoughtful design, and reliable performance makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about cooking. Investing in this cooktop will elevate your cooking experience and ensure delicious meals for years to come. If you found this review helpful and informative, please consider liking our video and leaving a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews, cooking tips, and kitchen appliance recommendations.